How to connect Facebook to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to connect Facebook to Shopify, quick and easy. So let's get into it. You will open up your Shopify store and you will land right here on your admin. So here you need to go to the apps and open up Shopify App Store. In Shopify App Store, search for Facebook. We can connect Facebook to add as a sales channel, and we will be able to add our Facebook store and our Instagram shopping to our Shopify. So you can see right here Facebook channel by Shopify. So select it and then you will click on add app. I have already installed it, that is why it says app installed. You will just click on add app and then connect your Facebook to your Shopify. Once it's connected, you can go to your settings, open apps and sales channels, and here you will find your Facebook. And now I can connect my Facebook. I have already connected. You can see I have all of the information. And my Meta Business Suite is connected to my Shopify, and we can also add products from Facebook to our Shopify. We can bring customers and create ads using Facebook. So you can just connect your Facebook to Shopify with your Shopify app store. You can also open it up anytime you want to and edit all of the information and start dropshipping with Facebook and Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.